helping Tongaat rebuild, one secure device at a time. In the wake of the recent devastating tornado that struck Tongaat, our hearts go out to everyone affected. Rebuilding lives and homes takes time and support, and we at Effectualness want to do our part. That's why we're launching a special initiative to help Tongaat get back on its feet, while also empowering you to protect yourself online. Here's how it works. Purchase one of our personal cybersecurity solutions: Protect Star Android Cybersecurity, Microsoft Personal Cybersecurity, or Byte Defender Personal Cybersecurity. 20% of the profits from your purchase will be directly donated to Food for Life, a vital organization providing humanitarian relief to Tongaat residents. You'll gain peace of mind knowing your devices are protected from online threats like malware, phishing scams, and identity theft. Why is cybersecurity important now? During times of crisis, online scams and attacks unfortunately become more prevalent. As people rely on technology to stay connected and access resources, they become vulnerable to those seeking to exploit their situation. By securing your devices, you're protecting yourself from phishing scams, emails or messages designed to steal your personal information, malware, software that can harm your device or steal your data, identity theft, criminals using your personal information for their own gain. Together, we can make a difference. By choosing our personal cybersecurity solutions, you're not only protecting yourself but also contributing to the recovery of Tongaat. Visit our website at www.effectualness.co.za today to learn more about our products and this special offer. Let's rebuild Tongaat, one secure device at a time. #Tongaat Strong. Cybersecurity matters.